Namaskar. Hello everybody. This is Anuradha Sarkar from Rai Boutique. I thank all my viewers for making myself a very big success. Thank you once again. Today, in the new year, first let me wish you everybody a happy new year. A happy Poila Boishak, what we say, Bengali New Year. So I thank all my viewers and I wish this year to be a very, very good year for everybody. Today I have brought some cotton block printed sarees. It's very, very hot, and we like to wear these types of sarees. So let's go with saree number 1. If you like my video, please do not forget to share, subscribe and please press the bell icon. We have got two types of shopping. One is online and one is offline. In online shopping, my number is 98314-36940 and offline shopping you have to come to my store, that is 14 by 36 Golf Club Road, Kolkata 33. It's near Tollygunge Metro Station. So let's see saree number 1. It's a very beautiful brown color cotton saree. Just see butterflies. It's a very beautiful combination. Please still look at the color combinations. And whatever saree I'm going to show you today, these sarees do not have any blouse piece. This is the saree. Please have a look. This is the saree. These are 100% cotton. So little starch is required in this saree. Those who have worn this saree, you know how these sarees are. It's a very beautiful sarees. Very, very summer friendly and very, very pocket friendly. Wear a deep brown blouse with it. Saree number 2, 1050. Another block printed saree. This block printed saree, please, for the first wash should be a dry wash. Just have a look. This is the pallu. These are all hand block. Hand block. No blouse piece. These sarees do not have a blouse piece. Wear a green blouse with it. Printed blouse also goes well with it. These are all very, very pocket friendly sarees. So I invite all my viewers to come to my boutique. Those who are away from Kolkata, if you come to Kolkata, please do visit my boutique. Saree number 3, 1200. Many people have asked me to show this beautiful block printed saree, so I am showing it. These are all new collection. Please have a look. Beautiful saree. Green with birds and bird motivated with titlis all over and flowers. Very good arrangement. These sarees require little starching. We know these are all Dhonekhali sarees. Dhonekhali is a small place in West Bengal where these sarees are woven. This is the look of the saree. If you don't want to give starch, then also you can wear it. Sari number 4, 1200. This is a different type of motif I have done. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. Just see the border and just see the motif. This is the rickshaws that we find in Kolkata itself. The olden this is olden type of rickshaw, hand pulled rickshaw. In Kolkata, we still have trams. This is half and half, half and half. We still have tram, we still have these hand woven, hand pulling rickshaws. Old and modern both are mixed in Kolkata. We'll find. This is, though the pleats won't come properly because it needs to be, this is the look of the sari. Because there are lots of starch in it. Sari number 5, 1200. This is another sari. आज जितने भी साड़ी मैं दिखा रही हूँ सब कॉटन है, 100% कॉटन है और ये सब ब्लॉक प्रिंट किया हुआ है. ब्लॉक प्रिंट में फर्स्ट वॉश, ड्राई वॉश होना चाहिए. इसका रंग फिर पक्का हो जाता है. दिस इज द पल्लू. और जितनी भी साड़ी है इसमें कोई ब्लाउज पीस नहीं है, अलग से ब्लाउज पीस लेना पड़ेगा. गर्मी के लिए बहुत ही अच्छी साड़ी है. बहुत अच्छी साड़ी है गर्मी के लिए. दिस इज द साड़ी. प्लीज सी, नो ब्लैक इज यूज्ड इन दिस मोटिव. कोई काला रंग नहीं है इसमें. किसी भी उत्सव में पहन सकते हैं. अभी सामने है अक्षय तृतीया, रामनवमी और बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स हैं. फिर रविंद्र जयंती है, तो वी कैन वेयर दिस साड़ी ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड. साड़ी नंबर 6. Sari number 6, 1200. There are lots and lots of occasions coming. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. Tribal face. Tribal face. Just have a look. I'm opening the whole sari for you so that you can understand how long the sari is. All the saris are 5.5 meters in length. Sari number 7, 1200. This is another sari which we can wear it during Rabindra Jayanti. Wear this type of sari, wear lot of gajra on your hair, wear simple ornaments. Something beads you can wear, or you can wear silver jewelry with it. Please have a look. It's a very pretty sari. Very, very pretty sari. Five and a half meter in length. Sari number 12, sari number 8, 1200. This is in Kerala cotton. Just have a look. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. Just have a look. Peacock. Peacock in the sari. And this sari has a blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 9, 1300. Another sari for Rabindra Jayanti. Please take this sari so that you can have your blouse made and you can have your petticoats and blouse and jewelries all ready. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. Just have a look. There is a fish border, and over that we have got these horses. These are one in black, one in red. This is the sari. Very beautiful saris. Sari number 10, 1400. Just see the sari. So beautiful. Many people ask me whether this material is kota or not, but this is not kota. These are all woven saris. These are all dhone khali saris. Just have a look. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. Look at the border, both the border. And this sari is also half and half. Patli pallu. When we drape this sari, it's a very good material. This is this material is Bangladeshi cotton. Very beautiful material, very comfortable. You do not need to starch this. Just have a look. This is the sari. Sari number 11, 1400. Another Bangladeshi cotton checks. This is the pallu. All the colors are very soothing. It's not very bright and very summery. Just have a look at the border. Very beautiful. The feel of the cloth is very beautiful. Just have a look. These are the dancing girls. And this has a blouse piece. This has a blouse piece. Both the saris had a blouse piece. So if you want, you can make this blouse, or you can keep the sari bigger, and you can wear a solid color blouse with it. This is the look of the sari. Sari number 12, 1500. Another sari for Rabindra Jayanti. This is the pallu. I can imagine wearing this sari with a red blouse and putting lot of flowers on my hair and wearing simple jewelry and going to the functions of Rabindra Jayanti. And if you are performing, you can also wear these types of saris. রবীন্দ্র জয়ন্তীর জন্য এটা একটা আইডিয়াল শাড়ি। ব্লাউজ পিস নেই, কোনো ব্লাউজ পিস নেই। জাস্ট হ্যাভ এ লুক, পাটটা খুব সুন্দর। জাস্ট হ্যাভ এ লুক অ্যাট দ্য বর্ডার। বর্ডারটা খুব সুন্দর। দিস ইজ দ্য বর্ডার। Sari number 13, 1500. Another sari, cotton sari. This sari do not need to be starched. This is also from Dhonekali, but the weaving is something different. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. It's a very beautiful color. This is also half and half. Just have a look. And this is the pleats. When you drape this sari, wear a solid color blouse, it will look very beautiful, very, very classy. It's not that always you look good in a very, very expensive saris. You can wear these saris and if you know to dress up properly, you will look extremely beautiful. This is the sari. We dress according to the weather. Now it's very, very hot. खूब गरम, बहुत बहुत गर्मी है और गर्मी में ये साड़ी सबसे comfortable है. Sari number 14, 1500. This is another sari for Robindra Jayanti or any other functions that is coming, any puja that is coming. There is Akshaya Tritiya, you can wear it then. Please look at the pallu. It's a very bright sari. It goes with any complexion. যে কোনো complexion এটা ভালো লাগবে। একটা ভীষণ ভালো শাড়ি। এই শাড়িটাতে কোনো স্টার্চ লাগে না। बहुत बढ़िया साड़ी है ये। Today a person rang me up and said, I am from Gujarat and I have come to Kolkata and I want to visit your boutique. Thank you, ma'am, so much for your concern. Please do come and see my sarees, see my collections. This is the look of the saree. It's very beautiful, very bright, and the photos also come very good in this color. Saree number 15, 1500. This is the look of the saree. Just see the pallu in green. This saree do not need to be starched. This is the look of the saree. Saree number 16, 1500. This is the pallu. This is a very fine cotton. And this is the saree. Just have a look. is very beautiful. All the motifs are so beautifully arranged. And one piece, please don't ask for 2-3 pieces, same sarees. I can't give you. One saree, only one will get. And please, for booking, first payment will get the first saree. This is the look of the saree. जो पहले पेमेंट करेंगे उसी को पहला साड़ी मिल जाएगा और इसका डुप्लीकेट साड़ी होगा ही नहीं। साड़ी नंबर 17, 1575, 1575. This is the pallu. Those who regularly wear sarees and to the workplaces, for them these sarees are very pretty. Wear yellow beads with this saree. Wear something in yellow beads or yellow, yellow thread. With yellow thread, you can also wear this saree. No blouse piece. This is the look of the saree. It's very pretty. Saree number 18, 1500. Another saree for Robindra Jayanti. Those who are interested, they can come and pick it up. Wear a beautiful blouse. You can wear a very beautiful ikkat blouse with it, red ikkat. You can wear a solid color blouse with it, whatever you want. This is those who are specially performing, for them this saree is very ideal. This is the pallu and this is the saree. It's very beautiful. There is no black in this saree. Those who want to wear this during any puja that is there in their family, for them also this saree is very, very good. The saree that I am wearing, this is also a dhone khali saree. Just have a look. Only birds, birds and birds, everywhere birds. This saree is also very pretty. The price of the saree is 1000. No blouse piece with it. If you like my video, please do not forget to share, subscribe, and please press the bell icon. And once again, Shubho Navabarsha to all of you.